Welcome to Supercold. Today we will have a look at our IC170B model of commercial bullet ice cube making machines. So these what you see here are the bullet-shaped ice cubes. Let's quickly see how these beautiful ice cubes are made. First of all, the tray under the evaporator gets filled with water. Now that the tray is filled with water, the evaporator pins get really cold and the ice cubes slowly start forming shape around these pins. Now with 1 minute left for defrost, you can see the cubes have attained their full shape. With the hot gas defrost cycle, the water tray moves away and the ice cubes detach from the evaporator and fall into the ice storage bin. The IC170B gives you 170 kilograms of bullet ice cubes in 24 hours at ambient conditions of up to 35 degrees centigrade. The refrigeration system is located at the base of the unit. This configuration helps you reach comfortably into the ice bin without having to kneel down or stoop in too much. The IC170B is 100 cm wide, 75 cm deep and stands 152.5 cm tall. Now here, we have the water pre-chiller tank. These are the water inlet and drain connections. That's the power inlet. You can connect the machine to a 16 amps power plug. This one is the water pump. Behind that we have the defrost solenoid. This one here is the compressor. Here we have the wiring box and the condenser. Now up here we have the ice making evaporator. There is the accumulator. That is the expansion valve. The water tank. Now this one right here is the actuator which lifts and lowers the tray. Here we have the water level sensor. This is the magnetic reed switch. Now you can see the tray is lifting up. There is a cycle time of about 20 minutes remaining for this cycle to get over. At the end of this cycle, you get these clear and beautiful bullet-shaped ice cubes.